Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your device OS and Call of Duty Mobile are updated so protocol mismatches don't block connections. Now reboot your phone and networking gear. This clears transient NAT or DHCP issues that often cause errors. Once done, toggle mobile data and retest. This isolates carrier routing versus home Wi-Fi problems. You're aiming to identify whether the issue is local, ISP, or game side before moving into deeper network configuration steps. You now perform mid-level fixes. Reset your device network settings and clear Call of Duty mobile cache or app data to remove corrupted session tokens. Remember to note login credentials. Next, change DNS to Cloudflare or Google to bypass slow resolver issues and disable VPN or proxies which can add latency or be blocked. Then inspect NAT type and router UDP handling, enabling open or moderate NAT and prioritizing gaming traffic via Co-S reduces packet loss and reconnect stability, which is why these steps matter. You finish by reinstalling the game if corruption persists and only restore saved data after confirming your account sync. This guarantees a clean client. Then test on a different device or network to confirm whether servers are at fault. If issues remain, collect precise timestamps, error codes, and your network type and contact support. This speeds diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: if reconnect loops persist, enable developer logging or use an app to capture packet loss, and share that data with support for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.